Greetings, friends. I'm geofatboy for shavenation.com. This will be a travel shave video. This time, I traveled with only a carry-on, so no checked bag, which is the reason why you can't see my eyes. They look dark. I didn't bring any lights, didn't bring any extra equipment, just everything I could fit into the little carry-on. That's what I brought. I didn't bring any shaving equipment. So when I got here, I went to CVS. I actually went to Target and didn't buy anything there, my mistake. And then I went to CVS and just to check and see what they had. And from CVS, I was able to pick up a Gillette Mach 3 right here and a Gillette Pro Glide right here as well. You can use both of these razors or you can use one, whatever you prefer, but I like using both. This for the shave, 3-blade, and this one for the precision trimmer, which is good for cleaning under the nose and outlining sideburns, that sort of thing. And then the only thing they had in the way of small travel shave stuff was this Barbasol sensitive skin shaving cream, which I hate, but that's what I'm going to use. They didn't have any gel or anything like that. So, and plus this is two ounces. I would think I could bring this on the plane, but this is aerosol, right? So most likely you're not going to be able to bring that on the plane. So let's open this up. Oh, it's just a pop off cap. I thought it might be sealed, but just a pop off cap. And then there it is. I'm going to warm up my face and I'll get my shave on. If you hear the fan in the background, I apologize. Last time I disconnected it. This time it's hardwired. I'm not able to disconnect it. So don't want to have security knocking on the door at the hotel. I have the microphone precariously attached to the mirror, so hopefully it doesn't fall off during the shave. I didn't want to wear it here and run the risk of filling it with water, drenching it, and then the sound would be garbled. So, all right, enough talk. Let's get to the shave. Hot water, warm the face. Always best to shave after a shower, but oh, that's another annoying thing. This faucet makes some weird noises. Here we go. Barbasol. Whoa, that came out quick. All right. As I said, not a big fan of this, but this is what we have. So you can't carry your safety razor blades on the plane, but you can carry your safety razor. The issue is, how do I get blades once I get where I'm going? You can mail them to yourself. You can mail them to the hotel. If you have a friend, you can mail to them in advance. And if not, you may be able to find some in a store, but most likely not. CVS and Target, they don't have any safety razor blades. So you have to make do, which is what I'm doing. This is all that was available. Went for a 1-mile walk this morning and picked this stuff up. And by the way, today is Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, and we're midway, or actually between the second and third period of the men's hockey game, USA versus Canada, and it's tied 1-1. So it'll be interesting. You know what? My opinion, these games are so close that nobody's owning anybody, and you win by one goal. It's kind of almost the luck of the draw. It's like everybody plays hard. You win by one. Either team could have won. So it's really not like someone's really dominating. They're both fantastic. It's fun to watch. Enjoy. The third period should be fun. It is physical, that's for sure. All right, here we go. Just swipe the neck a little bit. Clean that. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Temper the razor under the hot water, and I like to start with the precision trimmer on the Pro Glide right here. So not the blade side, but the other side right here, the opposite side. Trim the sideburns. Just get a straight line, like so. Rinse under the nose. Just clean out the little hairs under the nose. Then switch to the Mach 3 for the actual shave. If you have mild beard growth, you can take long strokes like this, but my beard's a little bit heavier. Plus, this lubricant isn't that great, so shorter strokes, choppy strokes makes more sense to me. Seems to work better. Rinsing more often. Rinsing after every few strokes so it doesn't clog up. As you all know, not my favorite way to shave with a cartridge, but you have to make do. I'm down south in Florida, and fortunately, the weather has been beautiful. High 70s every day. And in Chicago, it is, I think, around 29 right now with snow. Just do a quick face rinse. There's very little residual lubrication, so we're gonna reload the Barbasol. Just a little squirt. Apply that again. The part I don't like is having to rinse it off the hands. Swipe. Clear the runways again. It takes me longer to shave this way. I'm faster with a safety razor. Okay, now first pass was with the grain. Now we'll go across the grain with the second pass. Kind of just skimming through. Backhand this way. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. I have to rinse way more often with the cartridge, so it does take longer, like I said. I'll show you at the end how I have the microphone rigged up. It's definitely MacGyvered. Just a little cleanup all over. Now a cold water rinse. And you can look around if you have any spots that need cleanup. You could just go back in and re-lather and hit those areas again, but I think I'm pretty clean. It's pretty smooth. Not as good as my safety razor, but very presentable. I can definitely get by with this. Pat the face dry. A little bit of aftershave balm in the fingertips. I forgot my alum block. Didn't bring that either. So going without that step in the shave. There you have it. A pretty good shave. Picking things up from the store with Barbasol, Mach 3, and Fusion razors. Now I'll grab the camera and I'll show you how I mounted the microphone precariously, MacGyverously, whatever you want to call it, so that it would help cut down on some of this noise from the fan. Hopefully you're not hearing too much of that. So I had this Zyrtec in my bag just in case, which thankfully I didn't need it. And I just inserted that into the little space between the ring and the mirror, and it fit in there. And then I was able to mount the microphone on the side of that. So there you go. And that little bit of light right there helps. You know my motto, do what you can with what you have where you are. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Now you have a good idea on how to do a travel shave. If you get somewhere and have nothing, you can pick up a Mach 3 or a Fusion or any type of a cartridge razor from a local CVS, Walgreens, Target, whatever. And you can grab yourself one of these little baby Barbasols. It's very small, size of my hand, 2 ounces. And you can get by for several days shaving that way until you get home to your beloved safety razor or straight razor. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Almost 1,000 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.